Are you a 10th or 12th grade student feeling the pressure as board exams fast approach? My name is Dinesh Kumar Singh, and with 20 years of teaching experience, I've had the privilege of guiding students right here at MPS classes in Pallavpuram, Meerut. I know exactly what it takes to excel, and I understand the common hurdles students face. That's why I'm thrilled to announce my brand new intensive 2-month maths board exam crash course. This isn't just a revision class. It's a power-packed program designed to maximize your potential in a short, focused time frame. Comprehensive syllabus coverage, targeted practice, doubt-clearing sessions, effective exam strategies and personalized attention in small groups. Imagine walking into your maths board exam feeling confident, prepared, and ready to conquer any question thrown your way. That's the outcome we're aiming for. The course kicks off on start date and runs for a focused 2 months. Spaces are limited to ensure quality interaction, so don't delay. Ready to transform your maths exam preparation? For more details and to secure your spot, please visit your website or simply call or WhatsApp me at 7906 910 172. Remember, it's all happening at MPS classes in Pallavpuram, Meerut. Let's make these board exams your best yet. I look forward to helping you ace your maths. Enroll.